Hello, this is Nan. Today I wanted to talk about the world's and the most and highest security issue. Maybe the related to World War II and World War One. The most and dangerous group and the group are called in Japan name of the Yamaguchi-gumi. Yamaguchi-gumi, we translate the English. The pronunciation is the three-door group, or three-door gumi. Gumi means group. So, and the three-door group and maybe are related the Japanese and the high-tech company TDK, which companies and manufacturing some of the very highest and quality capacitor, also other fingerprint sensor, also some of the batteries, some like hardware technology. So, and the Yamaguchi-gumi are related, maybe the killed and Bill Gates and Steve Ballmer. Yes, 2003, Bill Gates was killed by some of the who entered the door, but the news is just playing the one day. After that, out of the news and have gone from the American news, also global news. So I think it is very secret for the U.S. Government, also U.S. CIA related information technology organization, because Bill Gates, I think he died by 2003 and March 29. So after that, maybe and Bill Gates was sending by Japanese Asia area, becoming some of others people using the biotechnology, also using some of the very dangerous technology. Japanese call that technology Renjaoren. Renjaoren means is the Jinzhou Ningen. Is the Japanese pronunciation. Chinese name is Renjaoren. Means is the artificial human. So from my investigation, the Japanese using some of the computer technology and the Windows system software running. He created some of the half human, half pieces, some kind of artificial human android called. The android people can speak using the speaker, but it is hard to detection the real speaker or some of the people say some of the sound. But some like the Barack Obama, who said and his sound is something like a very similar speaker. And yes, Bill Gates after that and he became the Android. So in that case, and yes, how the murder entered the Bill Gates' house, I think the most impossible using software hard software attack, some of the using Windows systems attack, because the Windows system and using some kind of the contents, the passcode way we changed some of the cannot detected. For example, on the 1010 is the means of the W, and the Windows system can using the item technology, and we change the contents code. So and some people and store the code and cannot read the code. What is the code mean? So I think, and the murder using the hardware technology entered Bill Gates' houses, because fingerprinter, it is a semiconductor technology. As fingerprinter technology are more famous in Japanese companies, JDI, and which company and manufacturing flat panel, LCD panel. But 2003 and JDI not exist in Japan, so I think the most the possible company, which company called the Sharp, the company and created LCD technology, LCD TV, LCD smartphone. So most possible as Sharp company the using and manufacturing, semiconductor manufacturing, yes, created some kind of the hidden second area, because the fingerprint can detection by using the light signal and translate it to electronic signal. So I think the signal changes the very and similar TFT transistor. TFT transistor can using can change the light signal and electronic signal is possible, because the some kind of the semiconductor fingerprinter, something like that, and there is the using the some kind of the thin film technology, but there is exist the how can I say, and shut and current and flowing the other areas using we call the some of the SI technology, yes, SI. But the even if the not conducting unconducting materials, they are using some of the hidden technology. They can also becoming capacitor. The capacitor are saving very small percentage of the Q, also quantum sum of the electron, but the using the amplifier can detection the what kind of the fingerprint signal the Bill Gates is setting the, and the Bill Gates and the fingerprinter signal also using the very small percentage of the capacitor non-conducting area can detection. So yes, Bill Gates was dead by Yamaguchi Gumi, three-door group Gumi. Yes, and the three-door group are related some kind of the Lolly Islands issue. From my investigation, the Lolly Island from US is just how can I say, it's just a small percentage, maybe 1% of the entire world. The real Lolly Islands, I think, is Japan and China. China and Japan is the most and biggest Lolly Island in the world. What I say, the Japan and China is biggest Lolly Island, because from the history movement, the Empire King wanted to eternal life, because they wanted to eternal king, so they using some of the hidden technology. How can I say, brain movement technology? When some people, when king age and achieved 80 years, almost close dead, and he using his grandson body, and he changed, because the human's head size is very similar. Even if the older people also, the child, the head size is very similar, because and the yes, the king move his brain from the king to his grandson's the how can I say, skull and bone, the head bone. So we called this is capacitor from king's brain. Yes, he moved his brain to grandson and becoming new life. But I think the new life maybe the brain movement surgery needs to do some kind of the 7 to 11 ages child because the baby cannot ingest the pain, also cannot ingest the virus. So only on the 7 and 11th age, the cells the cells growing is very faster. Also, the virus ingest is very strong. So the king and choose the age of the 7 to 11. Yes, Japan definitely has the 24 hours. The story called Lawson and 7-Eleven. 7-Eleven means 7 age to 11 age. It is best age to brain surgery age. Yes, after they changed his brain to his grandson, he just trying to child. Maybe when I was a child, I born in Jilin province in China. Which province is located North Korea, South Korea, Russia, China, Japan. So a lot of the East Asia's countries, the border of the China, there is a lot of the, I think existed artificial human. What I say till that because from now the Mr. Kim, who is the related on the North Korea's Kim, and Kim Il-sung, also Kim Jong-un. Yes, the Kim Il-sung, who is the king of the North Korea, and he just catched his grandson's body and reborn again, and his child name called Shin Yong-cho. Shin Yong-cho means Shin means the god, the highest god, and the Young means and zero. I am the zero. Zero is biggest number in great number in and the data center, also mathematics. Cho means the beginning. I am the beginning zero, and I am the god. He named Shin Yong-cho. And when I child, maybe under 6 years old, yes, I just watching that, and these people maybe across 8 years old, the highest. Yes, but she just using finger just like that, similar the gun, and pang. This sounded like kill some of the people, and he pointed some of the child, maybe 6 years, also 7 years old a child, and side of the teacher can write some of the name and the gunshot child's life stories. Yes, the entire Yanbian and the Yanbian Korean autonomous mission, which located Jilin province, which areas deeply related, and Kim Il-sung and Mr. Xi Jinping, also Li Chang's, and reborn the game of the center reborn. We called artificial human game zone. And they using the reborn technology. They studied Chinese, and a lot of the U.S. people maybe know the Communist Party is the highest power in China, but the Communist Party's Chinese means the mountain whole group. Mountain whole group is the mountain, you know, the mountain. Yes, the Beijing areas have a lot of the mountain, and the whole means like some of the North Korea's palace, Kim Il Sung's palace, we call the hall. And the big hall, mountain big hall, we call the Communist Party in Chinese mean. So the mountain big hall also renamed the mountain, the pronunciation Chinese means and three. Three and the mountain is the same pronunciation in Chinese. San. So we another name, the mountain whole group, we call the TDK, three-door group, is same mean. And the Mao Zedong and which people who is the leader of the China, and he created a new China, but he using some of the very strong power, hidden power, and which power and can related Japan and North Korea's mountain whole group, Yamaguchi-gumi, three-door group. The Yamaguchi-gumi, we in Japan may be the biggest gang member in Japan, and yes, also the entire Japanese people very fear about the Yamaguchi-gumi. They can't speak any Yamaguchi-gumi's word in school or outside or the house in the sofa houses. Some family houses cannot speak, and the Yamaguchi-gumi's stories, because this is the forbidden by government. The Japanese government we call the Jiminto, but the Japanese and we call the Jiminto, and the Ji means the we using some of the Chinese character, and the Ji and whose character consist of the three mouth and three hole and white mean, three whole white house. So three and mountain is the same mean. So Jiminto, which group is the Yamaguchi-gumi? Yes, the entire Japan and controlled by Yamaguchi-gumi, and Yamaguchi-gumi using his and gang member and his technology, also his and government power, and capture Japanese child, also the East Chinese child, also South Korean child, because the brain artificial human we call android, those people must be needed to eating child's meat, we call sashimi, because they using brain surgery, brain movement to reborn, and but the brain cannot and completely control the out of the body's signal, because this is the using the artificial movement surgery. So they must be eating outside of the some of the nutrient drinking, also nutrient meat. Yes, which shows very similar people's cells. People's cells need very similar people's cells, so they eating people. But using cooking formula and the out of the nutrient, also out of the the small, how can I say, and existing the some nutrient have gone, so they using sashimi's meat eating people. Yes, sashimi. The original means is the fish sashimi, but the background means they using humans meat because they wanted to eating people to reborn the android cells. Yes, but in that reason, and they consist of the 731 and Black Sun's test. Black Sun's means is the related to the Bible. The Jesus say he said, and I am the sun, I am the light, and the black sun is the, how can I say, humiliated Jesus family. Black sun power, black sun experiment. The black sun's experiment related the human body's Fusion technology, because when human meets the Fusion and return to normal temperature, it can't become a normal meat because the human body cell is very special, directly becoming black color. So they using the Fusion, the technology and experiment people's temperature, low temperature test. If can and kill people and make some kind of the like a pig pork or some of the fish, like that kind of the meat, saving on free refrigerator. Yes, but it can human body's cell is very special. It can't and saving by refrigerator. So they also consist of the virus test because they wanted to eat sashimi, humans meat, but the from the temperature size, the not cooking the raw material of the meat has a lot of the virus and a lot of the some of the very small movement virus. So they eating the meat and they whole of the body becoming the virus. So they using the normal people conducting some of the very dangerous and virus test. Another experiment is the child's born and child's life genetical science, because they wanted to growing a lot of the child, some of the using their meat like a pork. So they maybe and conducting some of the pregnant woman and child. So they wanted to create more child and low cost. They using the mountain hall in Japan and in China's east areas. They catch the lot of the child and pregnant woman in there doing experiment, and something like a pork. They growing a lot of the baby in mountains hole. they're just waiting to sashimi from 7 to 11 age for their fresh new life. This is the world's and most dangerous situation and hidden story of the why they created a lot of the disease, a lot of the like drugs, because they have AIDS. The brain surgery people has AIDS disease because they cannot generate the bacteria, because bacteria is only from the original body, but the brain surgery people cannot creating bacteria, so they're using some of the virus placed bacteria. So they using people's body conducting bacteria and virus experiment. But in historical view, if no bacteria existed, they can't head of the winter because the AIDS disease people very fear about the freeze, also low temperature, also they has the very serious mental illness AIDS people, because their brain signals comes from the battery, like Panasonic battery. I work for Panasonic, but Panasonic theoretical manufacturing the battery, but the Hayden factory they manufacturing the nutrient. Yes, nutrient drinking. So I scanned the called battery and also scan some of the Panasonic not PC products, and I found that the scan code, I just read that out of this scan contents is related nutrient, also related some of the very dangerous like some genetic science drugs. I only posted this problem my Facebook. If who interested in that nutrient can read my Facebook. Another Japanese company which called the Sharp. Sharp means Japanese kanji, when pronunciation is the spread summer, because the brain surgery ages people very fear about the low temperature environment, so they wanted to remove winter, only exist summer, so they named Sharp. Sha means the summer means. Sha means summer. Pu means the spread all over the world. So from the genetic, from the sunlight technology side view, and the CO2 can exist the nuclear eliminating. But when CO2 have gone, the sun power directly on Earth and on human's body. The sun powers nuclear eliminating can cause cancer, genetic change, also skin color change. The most from the technological view, the Africa, which areas people's skin is the black, because in Africa there is no mountain, only just the small percentage of the green. Yes, something like small tree, small green grass. When the mountain have gone, no tree can exist CO2, can making CO2 to sending the air to prevent some power directly on Earth. In how the WHO and which organization is the control the a lot of the related Earth's environment, also humans healthy environment technology and prevents activity, but the WHO which we call the WHO, this is the very dangerous and organization, and this is not under United Nations organization. The WHO is very 100% controlled by the Yanbian University of Science and Technology. We call the UST. The UST is the second CIA, US also, the Yamaguchi-gumi, Japan, also the Communist parties from China. CIA, the central government, maybe US do not exist the central government, does not exist the central government. Only China has a central government. Central means the core. I am the core. All of the surrounding the people work for core, work for center, work for CIA. The CIA is not U.S. Organization. Which organization completely directly controlled by China, Japan, and South Korea, North Korea's Asian's countries government? We call the Yamaguchi-gumi gang member, biggest Asian's gang member. The CIA control the WHO. The Hu Jintao. Hu Jintao's pronunciation is WHO. It's the same the WHO. WHO. WHO means Chinese character lake. We call the lake. WHO also lake's characteristics. I think that no water movement, no water flowing, only stay in there and becoming virus, becoming the dirty water. We call the lake. Hu Jintao, who destroyed the entire China's mountain, China's environment, and China's all of the business environment of Chinese mind. From the Deng Xiaoping to Jiang Zemin, a lot of the U.S. people very like Chinese. Also, Chinese also very like communicating with U.S. people. Also, some of the Japanese people. But from the Hu era, and she created the beaches houses, dirty country. All of the gang member rising from the Hu's area. Also, he is not Chinese. He's North Korean people. Who also Mr. Xi Jinping also he is North Korea's people. Yamaguchi-gumi's member, biggest member. And those two people just wanted to destroy the entire world, including China, including US, also EU, also Russia. The Russia-Ukraine war apparently and fighting from EU and between the EU and Russia, But behind the power and Xi Jinping, who using the Yamaguchi Gumi and the central government's power, they destroyed the Chinese army and the Chinese people's banking accounting. They just stole money from the Chinese people and sending the Chinese armies the weapon, just sending the Russia destroyed the heart of the Chinese army and the Chinese weapon. And from the end of the last year, China suddenly disappeared. Maybe 20% of the people have gone. Also, a lot of the YouTube and the video, also Chinese people also do not know why people suddenly have gone from the biggest city like Beijing, Shanghai, Shenzhen. Nobody knows, but I know, and those people and catched by Yamaguchi Gumi, Mountain House. They catched by Mountain House group, just waiting for the Androids people's meeting them, sashimi them. Yes, and in this reason, Chinese very stay in poor situation. The U.S. also very suffer from the drugging and suffer from the mental illness. The world come from mental illness, and I think they using battery technology created manufacturing the drug. Maybe like some of the gang members selling those and small percentage of drug is not the real mental illness causing drugs. The real mental illness causing drugs, I think, is the hospital related the mental hospital, and they selling Invega drugs, and which drugs are created by Panasonic's and batteries technology. Because a human body consists of the ion controlled by brain controlled all of the body, and using some kind of the material, which material we call the ion and electron. The electron size and the capacity of the electron can deeply affect the human mental health, mental illnesses. The Panasonic using battery manufacturing, they created mass production of the drugs. They using drugs like battery water, mixing with Americans rice, also the mixing against the pork. When people eat that pork and rice, people has some kind of the mental illness can occur from the electron control. Also, the diabetes caused by Yamaguchi and drugs, because and a lot of the diabetes comes from body cannot producing the insulin. When people eating the mental drugs and the brain signal completely controlled by outside ion and electron, so brain may be sleeping, cannot producing the original ion and electron. So when people drinking the sugar, but they needed the insulin, but the brain just sleeping, cannot producing the insulin. Yes, this is the why Americans people very fat and diabetes. this is the very human history issue. But from my investigation, most dangerous group in Japan, we call the Yamaguchi-gumi. They wanted to occur World War III. Yamaguchi-gumi spread the North Korea, South Korea, Japan. The original Yamaguchi-gumi is creating, which called Yamaguchi Shunkichi, Chunji, Yamaguchi Chunji. And Chunji means Chun is the spring, and Ji is the, we call the Yanji. Yanji city, which placed in Yanbian area, Jilin province, the very medium size of the city, but it is Korean Chinese people's autonomous mission. We this city called Yanji, but the Chunji means it is just maybe the North Korea's people created Yamaguchi-gumi, and Jimindo also created by Yamaguchi-gumi, because the Yanbian who has very famous and people we call them the Yundongzu, and which people related very historical issue, and maybe Uzumaki Naruto, which animation related Yamaguchi-gumi and realistical history, and why Yamaguchi-gumi wanted to destroy this world is existed by Naruto, Uzumaki Naruto's animation. The Madara and Madara's brother, small brother, which two people may be related, historicals very dangerous group. We call this group is the Mountain Hall group. Mountain Hall group. They just eating people and getting energy from the other people's body and the cells. This is why the brain movement people wanted to continually exist, because they wanted to fighting with the Jesus family and Jesus child. From the Bible, and Jesus just mentioned by he is the very and weakness people, and he is very kind people. But from Naruto, Uzumaki Naruto's animation, he is the very and strong, and he is never defeated by devil. He never and catched by devils, some of the law devils, some of the beautiful world. From the animation, and the Obito Sensei, who is the Jesus, who is the real Jesus, and his entire life we call them Jesus life. The Jesus killed by Uchiha Madara is very biggest boss in the devil group, and the entire stories and the Naruto's country we call the tree related and flashing company, not tree, and we call the Muye. Muye means the, how can I say, tree, life of the tree country. Life of the tree country. We call the Naruto's country. Which country, life of the tree countries fighting with the Madara's, the human eating groups, fighting for more than few hundred years, also maybe from the Jesus beginning, maybe continually 2,000 years the fighting. The Mountain Hall Group Communist Party and the Yamaguchi-gumi destroy entire Earth's tree environment. They using some of the advanced technology, deep digging the mountain and creating the biggest hole center of the mountain. We call the central government in China the center of the mountain group. When created the center of the big hole under the mountain, the mountain's tree cannot observe the water from the earth because there is the biggest hole exists under the mountain. So the mountain and the green environment completely destroyed. They just created a fake tree in Japan, fake the Matsushita Denki. Matsu means the Matsuki means the Matsu tree. Which trees cannot using the water can exist on very like no water environment, but I think cannot exist enough the CO2 to emission to Earth. So a lot of the company, a lot of the whose organization just wanted to destroy the CO2 emission, but it is very dangerous. The Yamaguchi-gumi's planning. It's not human people's planning because a lot of the whose member is the gang member and the Yamaguchi-gumi's and the gang member. They wanted to destroy entire Earth. If no CO2 on Earth, the sunlight directly on Earth and directly on people's body, and we out of the we die and we out of the fishing die if no CO2 on Earth. So I think creating enough CO2 using green environment, flashing tree is the best solution. The Yamaguchi-gumi is using deep digging mountain hole, destroy the entire tree, entire animals. I think the lion also genetically changed the animal because lion only and depending on the sex and eating animals meat. They very their life very similar to Yamaguchi-gumi's life. Yes, today's my investigation story just wanted to in that time. And next time I wanted to tell the Naruto's very interesting story. Why and Naruto deeply related the very dangerous group which company and trying to destroy China, also trying to destroy US. I will telling next time. See you next time. Bye bye.